Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.5 LTS version on RHEL 9. Okay, but the process is same on all RHEL 9.12345. Okay, so open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. It is the official website. Then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.5 LTS version. If you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Select 8.4.5. Then select the operating system. RHEL. Then we have to select the version of the operating system. I am on RHEL 9, so select 9. If you are on 8, select 8. If you are on 7, select 7. Okay. So select RHEL 9 x86 64-bit. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages for RHEL 9. Okay. Instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 906 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Okay. After download, we will extract this star file and we will install. This will take time, so I am pausing this video. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Click on activities. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. Now we have to extract this file. tar-xf, give MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo control rpm -ivh no deps star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.4.5. See, installation is completed. Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL-d. MySQL-d is the name of the service name. Provide the password of sudo user. See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Control L. Sudo systemctl start MySQL-d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 3 seconds ago. We took it. Control A. Now we have to connect to MySQL server, but to connect to MySQL server, we must have the password of root account. So we can get the temporary root account password by going to more/var log mysqld.log. Log grep password. At the start, we have to give sudo. See, this is the temporary password for the root account. Okay. So with this temporary password, we are going to set the permanent password for the MySQL user root account. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Hit enter. Then copy this temporary password. Paste it. Hit enter. Then provide the new password. Now onwards we have to give whatever the password here we have given. Hit enter. Change no. Remove anonymous users yes. Disallow no. Remove test yes. Reload yes. See, you have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL server by using MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password whatever we have set now. This type. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.5. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.4.5. Okay, Control L. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Now switch to this database and create a table. Verify list of tables. See, you don't have any table. So create a table. verify. See, we have one table. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Select star from. See, we have inserted this data. Okay. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So this won't work. Show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, we have these users. So these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the users. See, we have created user David. Control A. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit is the command to exit. MySQL -u. New username is David-p. Okay. We have to give the password. This one, whatever is there in single or double quotes. Okay. So see, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Control A. Verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server 8.4.5 with the user David. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server on RHEL 9. So sudo systemctl stop mysql d. Verify the status. Sudo systemctl status mysql d. See, MySQL server is stopped. Q to quit. Control L. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-root-p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysql d. Now check the status. See, MySQL server is started 7 seconds ago. Q to quit. Control L. If you want to restart, just give systemctl restart mysql d. Okay, we have successfully restarted. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. Okay, so ls, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server. So rm star.remove rpm ls. Remove this one also. rm give MySQL, give us tab ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.5 on RHEL 9. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.